I have the solution when it comes to verifying your proof of address on any Forex broker. You don't have to go to the bank to be in this long queue waiting for your turn to receive your bank statement. I have a system that will help generate your proof of address for you within 4 hours. And this proof of address can be used on any Forex broker to verify your proof of address and enable you to start trading and withdrawing your profit. As you already know, some brokers will not allow you to withdraw your profit if you have not verified your proof of address. So it is important that you do verify your proof of address if you want to enjoy this Forex trading. Now, this announcement is specifically for Ghanaian Forex traders. For some months now, I've been helping to provide this service for a lot of Forex traders right here in Ghana to enable them to verify their proof of address and have smooth trading journey. So if you need this service or you know anyone who needs a service like this, just let the person get in touch with me. The person can reach out to me on Twitter, which is now X at @Godsway and I'll give the person my WhatsApp line. Then we pick it up from there. But here's the catch: this service comes with a little token, which is generally affordable for everyone. So if you need a service like this, just let me know and I'll gladly help you in your verification process.